everyone. This is Esther Devika from Cornerstone. We will be addressing the do's and don'ts under Alphabet B today. The first one is balance. Maintaining a balanced attitude in every interaction that you have with your child is very important. For example, if you take into account the diet plan also, crash diets will not work best for you. Only the balanced diet gives you good results. Similarly, you need to maintain a balanced attitude, and it is the key role towards the bringing up of your child and in developing the ethical behaviors in your child. Also, it is important that you adapt this balance when you express your appreciation or when you express your love towards your child. There's a famous dialogue in the movie Karate Kid by Jackie Chan to Jaden Smith. It goes like this: Wuji be fun, which means too much of anything is not good and it will make things worse. The second one is believing your child. Now, to believe your child, what they say through their actions are more important than words. Children usually express their point of view or their feelings first through their actions. For example, if a child is irritated or annoyed or frustrated and does not like what you have asked them to do, they usually express their dislikes through facial expressions or body languages or actions. We need to keenly follow their reactions, try to understand what it means, and to immediately invest our quality time in reducing the impact of negativity in the child. The third one is busy. Keeping the child and ourselves is very important. Being a busy bee is worth the living. When we keep ourselves busy, we can refrain ourselves from negative vibes, negative thoughts, negative reactions with anyone in the family. Now, the more we keep our mind, soul busy, the more we tend to become occupied, the more commendable we are. And when we keep ourselves busy, we should also keep in our minds that we should spend those times in a very fruitful, effective and useful manner. So we need to plan our day on daily basis. Now, coming to the don'ts, the first one is to beg. Now, when you beg a child to do something, it is not at all good. When you start begging a child to do what you want them to do, you will never get what you expect. For that matter, not with the child, with any individual, when you start begging for something, you will never get what you expect. Rather, you tend to lose your self-esteem and respect. You need to be very clear in what instructions you are laying and what is your expectation from the child. And if they don't follow those, leave them, let go, allow them to face the consequences. It is during these times that you need to be very cool and composed, and you need to be at ease. Also, at the same time, you need to be firm in your decisions. The second don't in B alphabet is bargaining. Now, parents, when they don't tend to get what they want by begging, they slightly start bargaining with the child. Say, for example, if you do this immediately, I will allow you to watch television, or I will allow you to have a piece of cake or ice cream, something like that. Now, this is a temporary solution. The child is definitely liking it, and the child will adhere this for a short span of time. And as days goes by, now the child start adapting this strategy. The child will start bargaining with their parents. The child starts telling, now if you give me a piece of cake, I will do this. If you allow me to watch television, I will do this for you. Now, this is a very tricky and dangerous tool in parenting. Please do not adapt this tool for parenting. The third one is blackmailing. And when now begging and bargaining does not work, parents get frustrated, irritated, annoyed, and slowly start blackmailing their children. For example, the mother says that if you do not obey and do it immediately, I will see to that I inform your dad about the cycle test marks that you scored in maths subject, which was drastically low. Or they even tell that if you do not obey me immediately, I will start beating you. Now, beating does not cure the sickness. It actually aggravates the sickness. So please, parents, do not manhandle your children. My humble request to you all. With that, we come to the end of the do's and don'ts of B alphabet. I will be connecting with you very soon with the do's and don'ts of C alphabet. Until then, stay connected and share your comments and likes with us. Please do not forget to click on the notification button with the bell symbol, because every time when we upload the videos, you will get a notification. Also, kindly support us by subscribing our channel. If you wish to connect with us directly, please write to us, or you may also call me. Thank you, parents.